consulta nawe. Nizim Afrika, thokozani, abarigani, ndogwa yangu, ndugu zangu, nawapenda sana wote, ndaweni, shewe, ndaramaye, ngizwe nyamasi, xikwembu xa mporonga, xikwembu xa kunyanza, xikwembu xa kunyinka, xikwembu xa ku ayi, nyixo xikwembu lexi, xikwembu sa mandzawo, xikwembu xa mukati, xikwembu xa mukati, xikwembu sa manzuza. Thokozani bakwethu. This Dr. Uthi kusuke endaweni mhlampe yaseThekwini. I'm in KZN at this moment. I'm in KZN, Durban. That's where I am. Ila futhi inkonzo izoba khona. I'll announce the day inkonzo izovula ngalo. Inkonzo kuyimanje abantu bayaprepare. Inkonzo kumele ingene, sabheka indawo ngoba bengiye kwaNdengezi just 3 days ago. Ngiyobheka indawo khona kwaNdengezi. Ngathola ukuthi kwaNdengezi ePitoli indawo inhle kakhulu indawo. So my question is, ngizokwenza isonto kwaNdengezi, ngijike futhi ngilenze nalana eYMCA Hall. Ila ngikhona, ila ngizosebenzela khona abantu. Ngiyaqela uma ukhona around eThekwini, ukhona around iTheku, iDurban, ukhona around Pietermaritzburg, make sure that uma ngi-announce usuku lenkonzo ube khona. Sizabe senza umsebenzi wedlozi, senza umsebenzi kaNkulunkulu, senza umsebenzi kamoya. But today my topic is about zamazama. We have all zamazama of which were locked or have been locked. Stilfontein mines ngaseKrugersdorp, I believe mangenamanga. It is just near Northwest. Abo zamazama labo, these are the zamazamas, the people of which are mining illegally. People of which are mining illegally in these closed mines. So my take on that issue was that, you know, that sometimes we can blame abantu for the things of which they are doing. But to tell you an honest truth, I really don't want to lie to you guys. To tell you an honest truth, it is so hard for one. It is so hard for one to live in South Africa or to stay in South Africa. Reciting in South Africa, it is so hard for one. Shall I tell you something, an honest truth? It is so hard. Each and everything in South Africa, it is high. Money is something of which it is scarce to get. There are no jobs. There are no business opportunities. Business opportunities are more for foreign nationals. They are able to make money because of the currency of South Africa. It is more better off than their currency. So, the way things are, I really want to tell you something, an honest truth. Things are not good at all. So, at some point, many will say, Dr. Hoti, you are now on the side of zamazamas. You are mainly promoting crime. No, I'm not. I am not by any means promoting crime or maybe saying that the zamazama, whatever thing they were doing there is right or it is right. It is not right. They risk their lives because of in those mines. It is too bad. It is too bad. I won't lie. There is a point where you will mainly walk. How can I put this? Uhambe ulele, like you will walk while you are just laying like this, walking by your stomach. From a distance such as from, let's say maybe from Pietermaritzburg, you can maybe walk by your stomach up until Durban CBD. Or it is even near. They even say that there is a point where you will walk maybe like this for 3 hours or 4 hours, like this, by your stomach. That's how bad it is there in those illegal mines. Because these are closed mines. But hunger and poverty, these are things of which are leading people to do wrong things in South Africa. Let me talk about the issue of Zamazama spray, of which you see me marketing on the thumbnail of this video. The Zamazama spray, it is something of which one will use if you're a gambler, number one. Number two, if you're a person of which maybe you want luck, money luck, you just need serious lack of money, you will use Zamazama spray. Then again, if you are someone of which ufuna ukushela nokuthandeka noma ufuna ukweshela, you will use Zamazama spray. Zamazama spray, it is something of which you will use so that your life can become a better something. If you are a gambler, uyagambula, ufuna inhlanhla yemali, uphila ngamadoda, amadoda ufuna kunikeza imali, ufuna sugar mama bakunikeza imali, sugar mama, amadoda, and all that, please use Zamazama spray. Spray sokuthi uzama impilo. This spray ngaphakathi, if you can just do spray ngendlela yakho, ngendlela ofuna ngayo. Ngifake umuthi lapha, ngifake umusa, ngifake ibheka, ngikinse moratwe, ngikinse khotolia, ka kenya phela e kgolo, ka kenya le phela e nyane. Morao ha moo ka be ke kenya mobu wa mine. Ha ke fetsa kenya mobu wa mine, meriana ye kaofela yona bese ngayithatha. Manqeda ukuyithatha le mithi lo, kwawe ukuthi le mithi ngiyayishisa. Manqeda ukuyishisa le mithi le, bese ngafaka amanzi embali emhlophe. Amanzi embali emhlophe ungawathola uma ungahamba uye entweni eMagaliesburg. Magaliesburg ungathola amanzi embali emhlophe, noma futhi amanzi embali emhlophe ungawathola eEastern Cape. eEastern Cape kulo yamgudu wesinuka ungathola amanzi embali emhlophe. So these are things of which I mix uma ngiyenza iZamazama spray. So iZamazama spray is spray eyukuthi sokwenza ukuthi uthandeke. That's why ngifake ibheka, ngifake umusa, ngifake neminye imithi engenze ngisho nangamagama. Uma ufuna ukuzenzela ungazenzela, uyipackage kahle. Emva kwalokho le spray less you make sure ukuthi uyasiphahlela, ushisa impepho sihlale lapha for 3 days. Emva kwa 3 days usebenzise. Ingalendlela esisebenza ngayo. Mkhulu wothi mhlambe le spray less iZamazama spray malini. iZamazama spray is too cheap. iZamazama spray, it is just 600 rands. I repeat, Zamazama spray, it is just 600 rands. For gamblers, for people afuna ukuba nenhlanhla, for abantu afuna ukuthandeka, for abantu athi mina ngifuna ukuthi mangishela ngivunywe, noma uma mina ngiyintombazana ngishelwe, ngithandwa abantu besilisa noma ngithandwe abantu besifazane, sebenzisa iZamazama spray. iZamazama spray uma iza kuwena, iza ikhombo. Kuza umuthi ongaka kuwena, lo muthi uyageza ngawo. Emva kwalokho uzispraya ngale spray emzimbeni wakho enyameni. Awuspray phezulu kweimpahla. That is Zamazama spray. Ngiyaqela, please make sure that you get iZamazama spray. Actually, please make sure ukuthi uya order. These things of which are 600, 500, 1,000, 1.5, 2,000. Just try by all means to order your things. Then I'll be able to send them to you. You are in Richards Bay, you are in Eastern Cape, you are in Cape Town, wherever la ukhona. Ngiyakuthumela, ngiyakuthanda, ngiyakuhlonipha, ngothando, luka love. This Dr. Wothi, inyanga enkulu esebenza abantu, ngisebenza abantu, ngisiza abantu. Abantu abaningi bathi kimi, ngizwe omunye umuntu ethukana igama lami, ethukana igama lami, ekhuluma ngami on Facebook. Angazi nokuthi umuntu wakho ungazela kuphi. Ukuyabona umuntu ongakwazi athukane nje ngawe athi uDr. Wothi inyanga yompeji lo yenze iminyeza phezulu kwekhanda, lo yenze idress phezulu kwekhanda. Abantu abanderstand, le dress lena angiyenzanga ngoba ngithanda. Uyabona, if you can look at me, ngindoda enhle, ngimuhlana nje lo mangazayo, omunye umuntu bengibuka ngathi ubona umfazi kanti ngindoda ngiphelele futhi. Njengoba ungibona la ebusweni njengoba ungibona nginje nguDr. Wothi, ngifuna ukunderstand, le dress nginayo ngoba ngumuntu kamoya. Isangoma akumelanga sigunde inwele. Kulo nyaka earlier on ngagunda inwele ngenxa yokuthi bekunento eyisifo ekhaya. I had to cut inwele. Bekunendlela yokuzila ekumele yenzakale ekhaya. Kwamele ukuthi ngigunde inwele. Isangoma asigunde inwele. Inyanga igunde inwele. Not my ukuthi kunesimo esiphoqayo. Isangoma asigunde inwele. Isanus asigunde inwele. Mina ngiyengimangala uza umuntu athi mina ngiyinyanga, but umuntu wakhona ishiskopo ngathi inyama, ngathi isipuni sengane sisanda kuvela. ekare sebono sa ngwana fetsang go hlaya mara motho a teng uzwe motho ati mina he mina nginjena mina nginyanga uyinyanga ngechiskop uyinyanga umoya uzwa kanjani ngechiskop. Hayi bakwethu, sometimes ake sibheke izinto basabantu. Mina ngine-dress kanje ngenxa kamoya not ukuthi ngithanda ukuthi ngibe ne-dress. Umthetho mina bengithanda ukuthi ngikunde ngokuthanda kwami nekrata ukuthi kude kilwe kusina miriri, but kuyale miriri because of umoya communicator nami nalo muntu wami owaziveza kimi ngisasemncane ngina 14 years I believe, wasemanzini une-dress njengami kanje. Once ngigunda ngilahlekelwa connection yami naye ngoba akusiyinto engiyibona mangithanda, yinto eziveza kimi yona mithanda. Understand? Lento engihamba ngayo ayizivezi kimi mina makuthanda mina, iziveza kimi makuthanda yona. Iyona nto ethi umuntu umeze kimi imlaphe, iyona nto ethi umuntu umeze kimi imsize. Bayangazi abangazi ukuthi uthi wathathwa amanzi. So this is something of which angizokhuluma ngayo kakhulu, but ke indaba isekutheni ngizokusiza, ngizovula izinto zakho, ngizokukhanyisela. Kunenyanga how le motho o le masayiteng a Potchefstroom, kunenyanga ePotchefstroom libitso la hae ke Gogo Metsi a Pula, inyanga yase Potchefstroom. Uma u around Northwest Province, uma u around Carletonville, uma u around Forgeville, uma u around Soweto, kuseduze, Potchefstroom iseduze. Please make sure that you do call Gogo Metsi a Pula. Please call Gogo Metsi a Pula. She'll be able to help you. She's a very young Sangoma, a polite one for that matter, full with energy and love, full with respect. She'll be able to help you. Please do make sure that you consult with her. Normally she says she works online. I don't know whether now she has opened or what, because of she's in a faculty of teaching. So I don't know if now she works online or maybe sevulile. Please do make sure that you call her. Uma you around Potchefstroom, she'll be able to guide you and help you. Kube kuyikuthi bonke abantu of which basendaweni yase around Durban abafuna ukuthwasa, ngikhona, ngiyathwasisa, ngilungisa umndawo, ngilungisa umnguni. Uma unamathwasa amaningi kuyikuthi umuntu oyikuthi wena wenze isikhosi, umndawo nawo ngizokusiza ngomndawo, ngizovula into zakho. Uyisangoma usemthwalume, uyisangoma useAvoka, uyisangoma ukwandengezi, uyisangoma ukwamashu, uyisangoma uaround eThekwini, ukhona ePinetown, ufuna umndawo, ufuna idlozi elikhulu lasemanzini, ufuna umuntu omdala, ufuna undaramaye, ufuna uzuva, ufuna ikhehle elikhulu, ufuna isizwe somkati, ufuna kufumana wangaringa, wangapanyula, wangapanyezi, wakukonaka, jwakanaka nyumbari wakukwanakesa. Lalela, ngikhona ngiseThekwini. I'll be able to help you. eThekwini ngizothwasisa, ngiyathwasisa la. Bonke abantu abathi bafuna ukuthwasa eThekwini ngiyathwasisa. Ndawo shewe. Ngiyathwasisa, ngiphakamisa abantu, nginyusa impilo zabantu, ngilungisa abantu. Call me today. Makhosi, thank you. Consulta nawe.